Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out from KuCoin account. So if you also want to log out from KuCoin account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.kucoin.com. Press enter. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of KuCoin. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here I'm logged into my account. You can see several options over here. You can see option for deposit and buy crypto. So if you want to log out from your account, all you have to do is hover over your profile icon that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see several options. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for logout. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you've been logged out from your account. So that is how you log out from KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.